How to fix something went wrong. Microsoft Office error tag 657RX. Hello everybody. If you're getting this kind of error, this usually appears when Office activation or sign-in fails due to certificate or registry issues. So if we ignore it, Word, Excel, or Outlook may stop working or lose access to our files. So let's fix it step by step. First of all, we can check our date and time. We can go to our devices settings, and once we are here, go to time and language, go to date and time, and here ensure this set time zone automatically is turned on because incorrect time can break the Microsoft certificate validation. And apart from that, we can clear out the Office credentials. For that, we need to close this up, go to Windows plus R, there type in Control key mgr.dll and hit enter. And when we do, this space opens up. We can just go over, look out for our Windows credentials, and basically go ahead and look out for our stored credentials here. And you can just go over and remove all the entries available here. Right click on those or select the option for delete, remove option right here, and then restart the PC and confirm it up. Or you can run Office as an administrator. For that, you can right click on any Office application such as Word, Excel, etc. Right click on it, select the option for run as administrator, and try signing in again once again. Also repair your Microsoft Office. So go over to your control panel, type in Windows plus X, head over, go to your control panel. So there, just type in control panel, hit enter, open it up. And once we do so, go to programs. And here, look out for programs and features. And within programs and features, select Microsoft Office here. And once we find Microsoft Office, we need to choose the option for quick repair. Click on change and select the option for yes. And click on option for quick repair and click on repair and confirm it up. And if that does not help, you can select the second option, which is online repair, and confirm it up. And do so. If not this, we can re-register the system certificates. Also, for that, we need to go to command prompt as an admin. So type in command prompt, run it as administrator, and run certain commands. So you may paste this up. Let me just show you, which is this one right here. So go ahead and paste it up and hit enter and confirm it up, and that should restore the missing or corrupted certificates. So you can just go over and do so. And also update your Office application. Outdated versions can trigger this activation error, and that's it. Usually this kind of error should be now fixed. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.